Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so freaking excited, you guys, and the reason why is because today, as you're watching this, I turned 1 year of having my sticker shop open, and I'm just like, what? Excuse me? What did I just do? What? This is how long I've been open, and you guys, it's been such an amazing road to be here. But I also have my July releases to share with you guys. So I think it's like a perfect time for this video to come out because honestly, why not? So I was like, you know what? It's my anniversary, it's new releases, let's have 15% off. So today and today only, July, look at me being July, on May 10th, 2020, from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. or 11:59 p.m. I'm gonna have 15% off my entire shop. So I'm so excited. I can't believe I've been doing this for an entire year, and I feel like it's only been, I don't know, like 4 months maximum, but I guess it's what it is when you enjoy something, and I enjoy creating these stickers for you guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys my July releases. So if you guys want to celebrate with me being my shop anniversary, Mother's Day, hello, happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful women out there, and single dads too, if you a daddy and a mommy to them little kids, happy Mother's Day. And honestly, oh, I don't know, I'm speechless right now, but I do want to say I will have 15% off my entire shop, including my new releases. So, oh, I cannot. You can use the code ELV15 at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. And let's get right into it. Let's just look at the July releases that I have today, because honestly, July 4th is one of my favorite holidays, if you guys don't know. So I did go very themey for this kids for the budget for July. So I'm sorry if you're not about it, and I'm sorry for my international babes. I know, but I love July 4th. It reminds me of family. It reminds me of our barbecue sessions. It reminds me of the lakes, of the pool. Anything you can think of that summer, I just think about it with this holiday. So I was like, you know what? I want to pimp out my budget planner with this theme. So I hope you guys enjoy the new releases, and I hope you shop the sale because it'll be for May 10th only, for Mother's Day and for my anniversary shop. So let's get right into it. Yes. Here they are, you guys. That's a quick sneak peek, and I'm excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So the first thing I want to come out with, or just show you guys, is I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna have fun with, let me zoom you guys in. I'm gonna have fun with expense trackers. So here's kind of like a sneak peek of what the expense trackers look like that might be with the theme. And I was like, you know what, I want to have some fun. I'm like, I never see anyone having fun with these expense stickers, so let me go ahead and do it because they're going to be on my calendar, so why not? So the first thing that I did is that I added this kind of, it's not glittery, it's kind of glitter-ish theme, and it's like a red, and I was like, yeah, let's add that to the little catalog. Why not? Let's just make sure I have some fun. So I did add that. And then I was like, you know what? I want to even go more. So I went ahead and I added some gray stars, you know, let's represent a little bit of something here and there. So here that is. Hopefully my camera's picking it up. I never know the settings on this camera, but yeah, we have the red sparkly theme here, we got the gray expense trackers there, and then I just decided, you know what, let me just go ahead with the regular flag themes right there. So I went ahead and added some blue. So I was like, you know what, I think that will go with the theme. So I'm so excited. So these are the expense trackers that will be only available for the July kids. They will come off the shop after July ends, so if you want any of those expense trackers, grab them now. But now let's get into the theme of July, and I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and just show you the calendar because I love the calendar. So the calendar looks like this, you guys. I'm so excited. Let me zoom you guys in. So I was like, you know what, I want this to be like flaggy theme, the red and white and blue. So I went with this pattern right here, and I added the July and the 2020 into it, so like that it's just easier to cut for me, and it's gonna be like that forward on. So we do have, you know, like this blue background with some stars and some red stripes and some sparkles of using all the colors. I was like, this is so beautiful. And then I also just went ahead and added the add-on sheet. This is a standard add-on sheet. This is with the date dots, some paydays, and matching bill due themes on it. So this is a standard size. It's just a regular 7x9 standard add-on sheet that will come with your 8.5x11 as well. These will stay the same size. The only size that will change is the calendar. But here we go. We got your date dots, your paydays, and your bill sticker, so you guys can just match your entire calendar outline. So I'll show you how that looks in the notebook in a bit. And then next we have the actual budget kit. So let me go ahead and zoom out just so it'll fit. First we have July. So I went with the gray, red, blue, and like a sky blue color right there, and I'll show you how it looks. I think it looks so good on my budget planner. Like, I love it. And then of course that's how paycheck 1 will look, and paycheck 2. So pretty. And of course you can get this all 15% off on May 10th with my anniversary sale. So I'm so excited. So you can get 15% off everything my site, as you guys see. So everything should be live. And then of course I do have the variable income for those who are interested, who have variable income, and I love it. And then I have the functional add-ons, which is the weekly check-in, which is one of my favorites. We have the debt tracker. We have sinking funds. We have the savings tracker, which I am keeping on. That is going to be a permanent add-on to all the kids starting since June. And then of course your normal transaction log. And now this is going to be the washi. So the first washi is going to be like stars and sparkles. So let me zoom in. So you have some red and some like gold streaks with stars in between. So I love that. And then of course I went ahead and with the I don't know, it's like a patriotic background to me. Like you have the stars, you have the stripes, and you have like confetti one, and I just loved it. And then here is the small washi that incorporates all of the colors in. So I thought that was so gorgeous. So that is gonna be the budget kit for July. I honestly love holidays, so if I have a chance to theme it, I will, and it just makes me so happy. So that is my June releases, you guys. I'm so excited about them. Let me just zoom out. I have so many. I just can't thank you guys enough for following me in this journey with everything from like a year ago. Like I could never imagine that I'd be in my shop for a whole year, and many more to come hopefully. And it just makes me so happy that I can make others enjoy budgeting, make spreads look so pretty, and I love you guys. I love the support that you guys always show me. So I just want to give something back by using 15% off my shop, ELV15. So thank you guys so much for following me, for supporting my journey, for supporting my channel, and you guys are the world to me. So thank you guys so much once again. And comment down below, what was your first sticker purchase from my shop? Are you that OG that with the bad, horribly cut June stickers? Let me know. Let me know. I want to know. Alright, so now let's look how the budget kits look in the budget planner right here. If you guys don't know, this is an Erin Condren 7x9 monthly deluxe planner. I also have them sized for the Erin Condren 8.5x11 planner, and just in case you're wondering what sizes those fit. I know a lot of people ask me about the Happy Planner. I know for sure the calendar kit does not fit it, but the pages should stay the same. I have had planning done with the classic before. I have links down up before in the cards, but yeah, I'm not sure. But if you guys have a Happy Planner, help your other Happy Planner people down below and let them know what fits in your notebooks. So anywho, this is how the monthly looks on here. I love it. I love the washi. It's so beautiful. I cannot. And of course I did fill it up with date dots and the paydays and the bill dues that come with it, so like that you guys get a glimpse of what the spreads will look like in your budget planners, and of course the bottom washi is also added on here. And I have the neutral version, so I don't have any like fill in here, so I'm not sure if it'll match the colorful, but mine is neutral, so I don't really have to worry about that. Mine is pretty plain. And then we go ahead over here and we have the variable income layout with transaction log in the bottom. I decided to do something different with the variable income layout just so everyone can see how that'll look. Hopefully you can tell how it looks. I just mock planned it, and of course my new kits now come with budget and actual, so you can draw your lines and, you know, do your outlines like that, and you can always add a transaction log or take out some of these if you like to. Then we're gonna move on to the July budget spread. This is how I did it. I went with the red. You can go with the blue theme, and this is how I laid it out. I did it like any mock budget I would in my normal budget planner. And I thought that looked so great. Like, I think it just matches so well. And then we have the weekly check-in. This is my favorite because it incorporates all the colors, and I did add some like, it's like a yellowish, a pale yellow, because of like, I think it would match like the stars or the gold streaks within the red washi. So I was like, yes, let me add that in. But this is how the weekly check-in spread will look like. Then we have the functional add-ons here. So you have your debt tracker, your sinking funds, and savings tracker. I did add them all here, and I thought that looked so good. So yeah, that is how the spreads will look in your planner, wherever you decide to choose. And of course the July budget will look like paycheck 1, paycheck 2, same as the variable income. They will all look the same. It will just have a different title, and of course you can choose whatever washi you like. And I'm so happy about it. Like, I love the July calendar spread. It's so beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification button if you haven't done so, so you guys can get notified every time I upload. But that has been my July releases. I am 1 year of a sticker shop owner, and happy Mother's Day. All right, bye you guys.